What information or details do I need to provide to transfer my TracFone service to a new phone?
Hello viewers. Today we're tackling a topic that many of you have asked about: how to transfer your TracFone service to a new phone. We'll guide you through the entire process, ensuring that you'll have all the information and details you need to make this transition seamless.
What is TracFone service?
TracFone Wireless is a prepaid mobile virtual network operator in the United States, offering flexible and cost-effective plans. When you switch to a new phone, you might want to transfer your TracFone service along with it to maintain your service and keep your current phone number.
What information do I need to gather?
To facilitate the transfer of your TracFone service, you'll need a few key pieces of information. 1. Current phone's serial number, IMEI. This can typically be found in the settings of your phone or printed on the box or underneath the battery of your phone. 2. New phone's serial number, IMEI. Same as above, you'll find this in your new phone settings or printed on its box or underneath the battery. 3. TracFone account information. Your TracFone account number and password. 4. Personal details. This includes your name, address, and potentially, your social security number's last 4 digits. Remember, it's essential to keep this information private to ensure your account security.
How to transfer your TracFone service?
Once you've gathered the required information, follow these steps. 1. Call TracFone customer service. Dial TracFone's customer service number, which is 1-800-867-7183. 2. Provide your information. When connected, provide the customer service representative with the information you gathered in Section 2. 3. Follow the instructions. The representative will guide you through the process. Follow their instructions carefully to successfully transfer your service to the new phone. Remember, the transfer process may take some time, so be patient. And that's it. With these steps, you should be able to transfer your TracFone service to your new phone successfully. Remember, the most important part is to have your current and new phone serial numbers and your account information handy. Thanks for watching, and we hope this video has been helpful. Don't forget to stay connected and stay informed.